Hi, American Mexican Gunslinger, part 2 on the Beretta Bobcat. Yeah, boy, the gun that started it all has one problem. Since this was only shot in a cold environment, something happened to it. Double action does not work anymore. Only single action does. Oh, that was a nice ding right there, guys. This Winchester ammo. Let's give it a flip. Yeah, let's give it a flip. As you can see, guys, double action doesn't work anymore. I guess we got a dud. Whoop! Alright, guys. Make sure the bullet's tilted upward. See, now I have a reason to cock it, guys. But I'm gonna try to see if I can take it to the gunsmith so I can get the double action working again. As you can see, guys, there's zero malfunctions. Now it's turned into a Beretta Jetfire, you know? That one you always have to cock the hammer back in order to fire it because they didn't have a double action capability. Let's go load up a few rounds and let's see if she's still reliable without the double action. As you can see, guys, we got a fully loaded mag. Blazer 22 LR rounds. Telling you guys, double action is broken. Zero malfunctions, as you can see with that. The Beretta's running fine. It's just the mechanism for the double action is toast. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was the cold environment because I seen Military Arms channel his Beretta Bobcat, and then the one that was chambered in 25, or I think 25 ACP, also broke. The trigger broke completely, and I'm pretty sure it's because it's the cold weather. That's my only conclusion, that these guns are not meant to be run in the cold weather, you guys. So be cautious of that when you guys are buying this firearm. Oh, see, guys, I didn't tilt the rounds properly. Push it back. Alright, now it's chambered. As you guys can see, zero malfunctions, guys. Except for that one hiccup when I didn't. What the heck? There's like a piece of yarn on it. Let's go load up a few more rounds. This 22 seems to run fine, you guys. Just the double action is busted. And I'm going to try to get that fixed with one of my local gunsmiths if I can find one that can actually work on it. Let's go load up a few more rounds. Whoa, bro, I don't want any problems. Alright. Oh! Malfunction. I don't think this Beretta likes this Winchester ammo. Oh, malfunction. Alright. Got a little mag. Oh, got a malfunction. And I'm shooting Winchester X 50 or 100 round box rounds. Oh, another malfunction. I guess this Beretta doesn't like that Winchester X. Alright, we're out. As you can see, she's running okay with that Winchester X. I'm gonna load up some of that Blazer ammunition 22 and see how that runs. Yo, bro, I don't want any problems. Oh shit! Oh, that Blazer ran fantastic, guys. And what's trippy is that it has a lead tip, guys. It's a lead bullet, but it's coated with this waxy stuff, which I think the Beretta actually likes. I want to see what kind of grouping I could do on that top right corner with this Blazer 22. I'm pretty sure it runs reliably and good because it's powered by CCI, you guys. CCI makes some really badass 22 ammo. We're out. As you can see, guys, 100% flawlessly with that Blazer. Let's go check out the target. Woo. Alright, now I'm going to try to do for this corner. Let's go load up some more rounds with this 22 Bobcat. So now we're going to try the Super X by Winchester. And we have 7 rounds loaded up in the magazine. And I'm going to top this one up. And I'm going to do the same with the Blazer and see which one works even better. And I loaded up both magazines properly, you guys. So let's see if we have any issues. Oh, we had a malfunction, guys. And I loaded it right. Alright, she's in there. Oh, we had a malfunction. Didn't go full into battery. Let me give that one more try. I guess this Beretta 92 doesn't like the Super Winchester, guys. So if you guys have a Beretta 92, I will avoid that ammo. Now we got some of these Blazer 22 ammo. Let's see how well this run. Make sure the bullet's tilted up. Oh shit! This gun's so small. So. Alright guys, I'm going to top her off like I did with the Winchester. As you can see, it's C for CCI. Alright. As you guys can see, guys, she loves those Blazers. I really thought the Super X's would work more reliably with this handgun, but I guess I was wrong. Wow. That's crazy. Alright guys, I got some more rounds. Let's see if we can do some far away testing with this and see if we can get a decent grouping around maybe 20, 15, 30 yards or so around there. So we're approximately 15 yards or so. I'm gonna see how accurate this little 22 is. I'm still using that Winchester Super X. I'm gonna see if I can get a good, decent grouping in the middle. Had a malfunction. Oh, failure to feed. Okay. Wow, failure trailer to feed. Now, so gonna avoid that ammo, man. Trailer to feed. What the heck is going on with this? Alright, I'm gonna load up another mag. I don't know what the heck is going on. Okay, I'm probably just gonna try to dump it. What? Yeah, it's not. I don't know what the heck's going on with these mags now. I just have to tap them a little bit and give them some love. Alright guys, let's go check out the target. It disappeared. Wow. That's why with this 22 ammo, it's just not very accurate, you guys. She's actually shooting everywhere. Holy crap. Alright. But that's all I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to give you guys an update on what actually happened to her. As you guys can see, the double action doesn't work, but the single action, it works perfectly fine. Thank you guys for watching. I'm American Mexican Gunslinger. More videos coming up. I'll see you around. So guys, I'm still here at the range, and as you can see, my little Bobcat is freaking weird, man. One weird little cat. But she works, guys. She still works even without the double action, to be honest. And I actually like shooting her more for the single action. But I think that double action is there for emergencies, just in case, you know, you get light primer strikes. You're gonna try to pull the trigger again and see if it goes off. But with this Winchester, you guys, she was having some hiccups here and there. But man, this blazer ammunition is fantastic with this gun, guys. And it's very cheap as well. It's like, this little box cost me like what, $4.99, and it was at Key Sporting Goods in Gresham, Oregon. Go check them out. They're very serious people, you know. They're there for business, you know what I'm saying. But anyhow, wow guys, this is what started it all, this little Beretta. And she still works fine. I'm just gonna try to fix the double action because I still kind of feel uncomfortable with it. I used to carry her a lot, but after that happened, I just stopped carrying her, man. Yes, I like carrying 22 handguns, because why not? You know what I'm saying? You get shot with a deuce. You're getting shot with a deuce, man. That shit gonna hurt. Like it's gonna hurt. Trust me. So if people saying, oh, 22s ain't shit, no one's gonna want to stand in front of one. Thank you guys for watching. I'm American Mexican Gunslinger. More badass videos coming up. I'll see you around.